Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the National Stadium in Jamaica. That is it straight ahead, and the government has plans to renovate or redevelop the National Stadium. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. But I want to ask you guys a question before we go through the article. And bear this in mind as we go through the article. Do you think the government should build a new stadium or should they continue to renovate this old stadium? Now, most sporting events like FIFA sanctioned matches, they have requirements for the facility. Even to have a track meet, there are certain requirements. Now the government is spending a lot of money to upgrade this facility to meet those requirements. But we have to ask the question, is it time to build a new stadium? And it could be built at the very same facility. We're going to show you now, to the left of the stadium is a lot of land that could be used to build a new facility. It's coming into view now on the left. Could still keep the stadium for training purposes, etc., or local events. But you would need, when you have international standards to meet, you're probably better off with a new facility. Right here now on the left, you could easily build a stadium right there. Easily. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.